I was a comedian as well. Apostle Agyenim Boateng, together with Abronye, and Black Rasta, and many others, blasted Duncan William's sister for passing a comment to be against Bawumia. I'm just saying that no power there. It is below the bed, and seven Duncan William's sister be candidate. Nyamianim no kreni, and pay ti omo abe komadwen achre no. And this we met me boase. No break it down. I'm what you say. No achre wadwen ama. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah block media. Mess for say need mo. Obe like video no that my brother subscribe button, snap click the notification corner latest update. Na ba chere wadwen dem ama ewo comment section. So ba so a. No actually force anya bia hwe. So any exactly 1 week here. MP for omo call omo primaries no. Emanyine hu how we bia esikoy at the end of the day no. Dr. Bawumia and the reigning primaries say and honor by the flag bearer, the leader of the new patriotic party. At all the party no now or adwumaye. Now, our Jumaye, I was so to ensure unity, togetherness, love within the party. With me coming in now, boom, a young to Tia, she say, at the party, no echo, I will can see you. Yami Adma 2028, Edeko P. Kunindi, Edema party. No, now the kind of Bawumia, Sebi. Now the Bawumia or Jumaye pa. Now, you know, right after the primary, you know, and then we said Duncan Williams, ne sister. I said, oh, no, believe you. In the work of Canada Compre Japan, according to no Nanka Penyah to her no dear. No Zenka delegate to Emma Kennedy a compre Japan. But Kennedy Army no, and any obedient honour, any of the Elbufu, any yaw. Ebeki can see in fact, and small kind of there, to be frank, not any SOS.
Well, what am I going to say? It's not going very well for him, but I'm really surprised at the delegates again. I told them last time, I said, you bring Bawumia, you go to opposition. You are bringing back Bawumia. Let me tell you, and I'm saying it with authority, Bawumia will never, ever be president in Ghana here. Never. He came to destroy the MPP, just like his father destroyed UP. He has destroyed MPP. And that's the end. I'm telling you.
What's the basis for saying he won't be president of Ghana?
I am telling you. You want me to tell you something? We are 75% of Christians. Muslims are 14%. The other religion is the other 11. So let me tell you something. When you go with the other, the other religion, when they talk or say, so from there, they join the Christians. So I will tell you something. Christian right now is what, 11, or maybe I'll just cut a 6, but 75, which is 81. There's no way anywhere in this world that majority will let a minority lead. It's a question. It's a simple question.
Is it about religion basis?
But let me tell you, everywhere in this world, everywhere, you cannot go to a Muslim land and you Christian tell them you want to lead them. They will cut off your tongue. You see, that's what they don't understand. We don't have a problem with any Muslim. We don't. But they won't. I'm telling you.
So now, is your camp going to support Bawumia going into the future?
Of course. But we will never win.
You are supporting him, but you know you know him.
Well, of course. We know. And I tell you, the big people, the people, hey, they know that Bawumia will never win.
And you know, Bible ne say, Nyamia ye sum no, oye nyiyimu. Nyamia ye sum no, wiasifo nyina amai nyina nyankopon na ye sum ne bi o Ghana hadom no. Onye nyiyimu, ba Ghana Kristofo ni bisabe. Epese kire se se nyame na enye nyiyimu o mu de ombe nyiyimu. Se nyame no nye nyiyimu a o mu be nyiyimu. Ombe nyame ade o se nyame nyame nyen ombe ya ama no. Ye ma kremoni me di o man Ghana so. Sa nkwase akeka no mo da so ka bi. Enye mo ka se ye mani pa wa bon ene eye normal. Ene accepted. Na ye man kremoni e me di o man ne so no. Mo adwe nya adwuma na. Ere asemuni. O mo nya nipa. Deba de na wo ho a e ma wo ye special se kremoni deba de a. Ede asem. Edeba de na wo ho a ma wo hu se wo ye nipa se kremoni deba de a. And now you mention the name Jesus to pray. Also mention the name Allah. Eti devil ade na ma hu say uye nipa se ne kremuni. Edebade. Now we have answer am no kan na no. Na Apostle Francis Agyenim Boateng. Apostle Agyenim Boateng. Together with Black Rasta, Agyenim Boateng Abronye, and some of the TikTokers abe blàst mami for name semo okan.
Mumyenyi religion and free politicism. Me hun video bia eye so for Penyah ye nyina ye papa Archbishop Duncan Williams niaba, and I was very disappointed. Everything shows that the woman doesn't know Christ. Bibi achere amemu omfa esum parliament. The work of the parliament is different from religion. Leadership has nothing to do with religion. Yabesremo. Adia betumi din tokwaba Ghana a religious way your friend is say. Brofonasa. Etimum yenyi way ye pepeni yamani media Christopher. A Christopher na di wa mind so since 1992 Ghana kodrin. And then to be a corruption or ye Christopher. Ya mumi aso enkwadidi. Mumi aso enkwadidi na we ye kremuni, we ye bokinani, we ye Christoni, Ghana ye Christian country. This is where your friends say homosexuality is dominating. This is where lesbianism is dominated, dear Christo for mine. As of for the religion here, and your politics. As of for. Hey, and your Christianity or time won't power. Se Christo et tank for the any nenya papa. Aso for yam me aso kwadi the media mo ma shen kom de me mfa me ho. Nyame no mkasa nenu. But a dear time and you see the religion be politics. And yet a best say o mine no. A best say o mine no. Na aso for binum de the entire de bia ya pese Christo for the be president because Christo ni ba be president obato to kasa mom. Muslims don't do that too. They don't mess up. Yabeyama and Yabema Christo ni be president because Christo ni be president be about or talk as a mass of him. Near more musica cassia. It's a better than invite for, but Cremoni winning yadia bribe to yadio. Mapon, Dandy, said Dandy, Yamin Shrow, and a debia Yama Cremoni, because when Nimse, Dr. Bawumia Benne. Say Yamfani said Dr. Bawumia and Cremonibi and the yet president Nenka gay and lesbian LGBTQ plus ki assigned the dada. Omwe womun chamum pese obi obeba be sign beba. Enti ma Cremoni me president because LGBTQ plus be obe sign. Me da obi say
Bring Bawumia, you go to opposition. You are bringing back Bawumia. Let me tell you, and I'm saying it with authority, Bawumia would never, ever be president in Ghana here. Never. He came to destroy the MPP, just like his father destroyed UP. He has destroyed MPP, and that's the end. I'm telling you.
What's the basis for saying he won't be president of Ghana?
I am telling you. You want me to tell you something?
Tell me.
We are 75% of Christians. Muslims are 14%. The other religion is the other 11. So let me tell you something. When you go with the other religion, when they talk or say, so from there they join the Christians. So I'll tell you something. Christian right now is what, 11, or maybe I'll just cut it 6 plus 75, which is 81. There's no way anywhere in this world that majority will let a minority lead. And if you let a minority, I'll give you an example. Just go to the parliament. Is it possible that the majority there will let a minority lead them? It's a question. It's a simple question.
Is it about religion basis?
But let me tell you, everywhere in this world, everywhere, you cannot go to a Muslim land and you Christian tell them you want to lead them. They will cut off your tongue. You see, that's what they don't understand. We don't have a problem with any Muslim. We don't. But they won't. I'm telling you.
So now, is your camp going to support Bawumia going into the 2020
Of course.
election?
But we will never win.
You are supporting him, but you know you know win.
Well, of course. We know. And I tell you, the big people, the people, hey, they know that Bawumia will never win.
Oh, Loki. Now if you say, I be before Prakunkwa na Jimio. I before Prakunkwa na ateche no matter ateche munia. Sana minimum sa brofo Prakuni bi ho woma jibiche bibia. Na in Ghana's politics no. I've come to realize that anytime bia MPP ni bibe na adwin so okwa NDC bia na adwin na abafom. MPP for na twenyansa bia wo mu bia ma adwin na abafom. Na wa jibitu tese. The moment I nipa no be jimi pe. Ose mi kwa NDC. Oja hu na MPP ni okwa NDC pe na adwin na abafom wa jimitu. Ana wo be hu se NDC ni bi free NDC. Se nde de mini NDC sune. Nasa NDC ne na adwene astati ya adwuma. Wo hunu nyansa pa na ne ate na ne abie. Odwene Ghana da che ho. Na ya to aba wie na se wo candidate an nkunimu a. Hwense hunu a okeka na yi. Akronfo kura TV beda na asofo Ghana ha o. Ama ya hu bi. Ebi wo fie. Shebrese samfoni ewrade ba me. MPP amano ko no ye hia wo sa o. Emu binu ya busi amfa afiasa 4 adi 18 years. Frimpom bo ate kura wa nya dibre papa kura ono kura so anto aba. Na wa manga. Say ya to aba na wie ba o mia na continent obi fie na ye nya ye reconciliation wie na wa obeba bra. Wa o ma ye mfa excavator metu. Udi siso ye betwa. Akoyo ba na nka ne ebe keka kire wo no. Masa abrofo prakosu anyansa kakra na bibifo prakonusu afi wo. So they say they any abro ya to abana wi ti any abro nyina ya serious obi ani abro ya dwen ho abrabo mu o afiansa wo be keka se den ze hu na akwa nka o nipa na wi ni anka o no be keka sanse mu na wo keka ye no.
Some people are funny. Some people are funny. I listened to Victoria Duncan Williams saying that a Muslim cannot lead this country. That is a wrong statement. In politics, we have to do away with religion and tribalism. That is what people don't understand. You don't do your research, then you come out talking anyhow, saying that a Muslim cannot lead this country. That's a big wrong statement. Let me tell you, in Tanzania, Muslims are only 34%, but it's a Muslim woman who is leading them. In Gabon, Muslims are less than 20%, but it's a Muslim who is leading them. When it comes to a Christian aspect, when you go to Lebanon, majority of them are what? Muslims, but it's Christian that is leading them. Equally, it happens in Senegal, Burkina Faso. You don't know anything. Rock was a Christian, but majority of them in Burkina Faso are Muslims. Blaise Compaoré, Thomas Sankara. Forget them being over coup d'etat, a military regime. Put that one aside. In Senegal, we have the same experience. You, Victoria Duncan Williams, what impact do you have in this country? To the extent that you are telling we Muslims that we cannot lead this country. But we contribute 70% in development of this country. So don't get come because of your internal politics. You are coming to demean we Muslims. Without we Muslims, do you think that you can live in this country happy?
Nenam say, wanya papa ne mame papa ntitini nti koke adwuma no ye. Onam wode ogina ho ana o kasa say, ono o kasa say. On authority say Bawumia entimi ni president no. Onam wo nyina ya ye ne turu mu nyina operations cocaine or comedy until ni true one who tete into a time no gina or casano. Senka 7 the toilet never continue control because onya who may control toilet. Ya yeno place in the true munina cocaine or many ye, ya yeno place in the true munina tete, and no denamo. Anti Padia, I am crank pampesia, I shot to a chroma yinano, some American hobby, because 1 minute cocaine, and my yayen or 2 places are, and to a namui on timing control toilet. About on timing control toilet. A dana original crana na or casa or no casa on authority say. Bawumia timi meji president no. Senke to toilet to far wa continue control no. Because ya yene to a woman in atete and no de nam to tim control toilet and no original. Nti pampers ya and a man paying for or money crapre pampers or no ye number 1. Cocaine dealer. The quantity a bonia or yan war and crabremo dinny yeno and no money ye cocaine dealer samaya yeno pressing it to no hunam yina cocaine wamene. Na ampipino yene tateni cocaine dealers ewo ye kuonum. No babe kase or kasa on authority say Bawumia ntimi mada. Uya ujina hoy. Na no cocaine dealer no kra wo to wo authority. Ache me amemetia wo a waye cocaine sa akwa fiase maya yiu. Ya ye wo pressure ya ye chi wo no akwa cocaine a wo mene ya ye chi wo no. Netherland one or more year war, prison one or more year war pressing, says 1 year war pressing. Attitude or twatching in a cocaine. War now, Baba ye MPP ye my. War Victoria Duncan Williams. Victoria Duncan Williams, cocaine dealer, 1 yantity a papa, a 1 crab bremunti. 1 yantity a papa. Enti cocaine na no dinyina no waya na ye chi na ye dini tuma ye yi na ono aba betena ha e ba be kire ye say ha na ye nto ya banko sa anko ne saade a you see ye ni Christian ayi peace council e government bi de ntokwa beba na so munsia no kwan peace council for hu se comment bi beba na so munsia no kwan a ye beka ye be raise ba na mama hu say ye ready for omo a omasoma omo no muntie ne ye peace council for ne Ghana police muntie ne ye say so be raise religious war not a police for no mo ye madwen say mo nka ho asem peace council for obi raise religious war not a mo ye say mo nka ho asem a ye be mama hu say we are ready for that. Nansema yebeka no mobehu se afedie you are ready for wo de war statement ne bayen time na mobe se mobesia no kwan no na kachi because obia ni wo bebedru over be yedru wa yempese panyihunu bi be free peace council aba be ka se munya ne bokoboko edru wa yempese panyihunu bi ebe free peace council aba be ka se oba be kasa kire because in summer Victoria Duncan Williams no a religious war and a peace council for more human because you're in party am war. Asema Victoria Duncan Williams no a religious war statement and a peace council for more human because you're in party am war. Ne duru wa panyihunu bi nka say eduru wa na say yesi sa religious war no yeba mana baso a no obi aba be ka say munya abotre mu ba hu de besi say eba say obi ayi nani because ogina mu party mu ana mo sase mu nim party amowo ana mo sase ana odi religious war and sama amwa and sama yamfam be the democracy ana mo yimoni peace council for yimoni and maybe baba Muba yese mu peye ma ye no mo ne ya kasa nso no entiase mada nya mo penu mu behu ye ka tia mo prince duru wa me ba de mo penu mu behu because ye ntena ho Ama obia on sem fata this time around and kasentia Bawumia and ko free. Yantina obia on sem fata and kasentia Bawumia and ko free. Hey, okase yenya kura yenyai. Okase mayen kabin tro bi kura me dem ba be kan bia tirawo basa basa. This time udi Bawumia tem na so fresh o munya man kakura me dem ba be tika because me dem mfanche obi ade be cha me dem mfanche because me ye pred bini me nim Bible me A to Z na Bible no ba bia me kana me tim da pa ye Mose mra no an eye for an eye what dey me kana da dey me tim da pa etino hey wunu ya obetake Bawumia frese munyai me dem mpene sa o de afi kura na obete de chensa o ka chense me enyi ano anu yie na ebeba na ebebro no so
Chire wadwe mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Broken there.